everything failed. So, not that I'm expecting that to happen. I'm not like dropping hints that I'm about to die or something. Just I don't intend on going anywhere anytime soon. But I will always keep playing video games. So apparently there's, I mean, I haven't played any of the Oregon Truck Simulator DLC on camera yet. I haven't played, there's going to be a Washington expansion coming out. That's a state we see a lot of. That'll be fun. Washington and Oregon, two states that we do a lot in. So a little bit more I can compare. Like, these are going to be roads that I've done in real life, which is cool. I always love seeing that in American Truck Simulator, especially when they recreate the truck stops I've been to. But anyway, I'm running out of time. I'm out of time. I'm already over. Whoops. Right, so I guess I don't actually have to stop talking now. I can just kind of keep going, because my next cutoff point is in like 8 more minutes. I already went over, and it would suck to just upload a 2-minute video after a 10-minute video. I might as well keep talking for another 5 minutes. But yeah, no, I really like seeing the places I've been in American Truck Simulator, the real places, translated into the video games. Like, I was ecstatic, all the different truck stops that I've been to in New Mexico that were represented in the New Mexico expansion. Less so with Arizona or Nevada or California. A lot of those aren't in there. There's a couple that I know, but not a ton. But with Oregon and New Mexico, they had lots and lots and lots of recreations of real-life truck stops that I've been to, though on occasion, rather a bit larger than the real-life versions of those truck stops, which is odd, to say the least. Like, if you go to Biggs Junction in Oregon, in the American Truck Simulator DLC, yeah, this is going to be all video games, I'm sorry. If you go to Biggs Junction, which is US 97 crossing Interstate 84 east of Portland, they recreated the pilot truck stop there. So the truck stop on the whole is smaller than the one in real life, but they spaced out the fuel pumps to be a bit bigger, so it's not as close quarters as it is in real life. And it feels to me like there's quite a bit more space between the fuel pumps and the building, so it's easier to get out of the truck stop. You also, of course, you do not have to deal with all of the cars getting in and out of McDonald's, which is a very real hazard that is present at the real truck stop. But it just, the scale feels weird to me at that truck stop, which I don't really understand. The parking spaces also seem quite a bit larger, though there's fewer of them in the video game version. And then for some reason they made, there's like an abandoned gas station next to a never open way station in southeast Oregon in the DLC on US 95, I think? Yeah, probably 95. It's called Bend Junction in real life. I don't think it has a name in the game. But they turned the abandoned gas station there into a Love's, or well, what the game uses in place of Love's. They call it, it's a chain called Sweethearts in the game, which is an adorable and great way to rename that. Distinct from Love's for copyright reasons, but they actually made that into a real fuel stop. So you can stop there and fill up, which is odd because it's not. I've never seen it actually open before. Driving through there. Same with the way station. The way station, super awkward in the video game. It's difficult to get into and difficult to get out of because it tries to pull you in, going in weird directions. Like in real life, that way station is only ever used for traffic entering Oregon from Nevada. So they'll pull you in going northbound, and that's it. In the video game, because there's no pre-pass on that way station in real life. In the video game, there's very much pre-pass on that way station, and it'll ping you anytime you get near it, not just on the highway going into Oregon. It'll also ping you going out, and then you've got to turn awkwardly into the way station, which I've never actually seen it pull anybody in from any direction, so I don't know. Maybe that is how it actually works. Sometimes. It definitely does not have pre-pass though. So that's, I don't think they've programmed away in the video game. Oh, that's turned itself back on. I don't think they've programmed away in the video game for way stations to not have transponders. So that's interesting. Are you going to get between us, or are you just going to stay in that lane until you pass the flatbedder? It looks like you're just going to stay in that lane. Oh, we're catching the flatbedder again. He is within 700 feet of us now. 636. Still 636 feet away. 640. 640. He's going faster again. All right. Weird. 643. I have no idea what he's doing, but he's staying in front of us, so I'm happy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I did the outro already. Come say hi on Twitter, @ElioDare, no apostrophe in the username. I'm on Twitter all the time, so that's the best place to get a hold of me, and you can find me everywhere else through Twitter, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.